Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Tesla. This is a picture-perfect example why we use the rotation zone and what I mean when I say price drifting sideways, letting the top of the rotation zone catch up, and then you get the push higher. So this is what we call 8 pushing the price. So you see here, this one pulled back a little. So this was a combo pullback, drift sideways. The 8 comes in, and you get 8 pushing the price higher. This one just drifted sideways, coming in contact with the 8 pushing the price higher. That's why we watch this. So next levels we're watching are just 362 area and then 368 to the upside. Key support, now you know the concept. We've talked about it hundreds of times. Prior resistance becoming support. So this was prior resistance right here to swing high. So that's around 356. Is going to be the first level support, and then we look back to the 8, which is about 348. So those are our first two areas of support. Then we'd watch this prior swing high for support. Should we pull back? 340.84, so essentially 341. And then we'd be looking what we can do now. Let me update. We're just going to update this to get an idea of where the 12.5% pullback, even though this isn't a pausing bar yet. So then we'd be looking at about 337.11. Those are all the key levels of support we'd be watching for any pullback. That's about all we have based off the daily chart. Let's just check the 4-hour chart. So here's the 4-hour chart. So you can see the 4-hour chart. You're still looking right around this prior little resistance shelf as key support. And then down at the bottom of this support area, right before we would fill the gap, is the bottom. So based off the 4-hour, your major support's coming in about 342.50. Remember last week we talked about we had a potential reversal signal, a potential divergence reversal signal, but we were waiting for the close below this low. Did not happen. Never closed below that low. That's why we wait for the close. People ask us, we get emails or questions, well, why don't you just take the signals? Why do you always wait for the close? Because for this example, especially when we're going against the rotation zone, never got the close below the key low. So the sell signal never triggered. So yeah, if you're good, we're looking to take profits, well, then you never took profits. You're still in this, and now we have a push higher in price. If you're looking to short it, never got short because you never got the close. So yes, you're going to give up some price action to wait for that close, because let's say it closes down, you get a little worse price, but you also have much higher probabilities by waiting for the close. In this instance, you would still be maintaining your long position. So that is a perfect example why we wait for the close. That's what we have for you on this Tesla update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.